Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, we looked at intonation on phrases. We learned about phrase breaks and how they reset intonation. In today's lesson, we'll work on intonation for showing our mood and how we feel about the words that we're saying. There are many kinds of English. The patterns I will teach you today are General American English, the kind you might hear in a big city in the northeast or western parts of the US. For a normal, affirmative sentence, the intonation falls. This is a pen. The strongest word gets a falling stress. Ba, pen. Usually, the strongest word is the last word in the phrase. Many Japanese speakers use a Japanese-style intonation, and it's a little different. Japanese uses a two-level system, so in English, it sounds like a robot. English style, this is a pen. This is a pen. Japanese style, this is a pen. This is a pen. Or Japanese, これはペンです。Ba ba 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 ba. Right? Two levels. English is different. This is also true for negative sentences, but you can shift the stress to not to show a contrast, like これはペンです。これはペンではありません. In Japanese, ではありません is at the end, so it doesn't need extra emphasis. But sometimes in English, we want to make it stronger. So let's try these. This is not a pen. 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 Requests and commands use falling intonation too. Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. But you can make your request very sad and desperate. Oh, please! By falling on please and rising at the end. Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. WH questions use falling intonation as well. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? You can put an extra stress on the WH word to make it stronger. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? But be careful, this angry sound is very close to the Japanese style intonation that intermediate Japanese English speakers use. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Very close to, where is my pen? Be careful. Where is my pen? Sounds a little angry. In summary, positive statements, negative statements, requests, and WH questions all use falling intonation. Let's practice them. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is not a pen. This is not a pen. Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Many Japanese English speakers think that intonation rises at the end of questions. That's almost true, but it's not the whole story. Listen. Is this a pen? Is this a pen? For rising intonation, the stressed syllable gets lower. It's like the opposite of normal intonation. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Goes up. This is an elephant. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? Goes down. Elephant? The top one here is how I would say it. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? Many Japanese students say the second one, and that has a different feeling. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? The top one is the normal way to ask a question. I don't know the answer, so I'm asking. The second one is saying, I think the answer is yes. Am I right? Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? This way it sounds like, I think I know the answer. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? This is a normal question. Now, let's try it with a few other words. Is there electricity? Is there electricity? Tr goes down. Are you Japanese? Are you Japanese? Ni goes down. Is this the orientation? Te. Is this the orientation? We also use rising intonation for lists. We use a pattern of rise, 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 and fall. The rising intonation tells our listener, hey, I'm still talking. Don't talk yet. It's my turn. Like this. I have A, B, C, and D. My son has a tiger, an elephant, a kangaroo, and a panda. Let's practice this one. My son has a tiger, an elephant, a kangaroo, and a panda. My son has a tiger, an elephant, a kangaroo, and a panda. Many people now use this intonation for other kinds of sentences, not just questions and lists. We use it to say, this is not the end of my speech. So, please listen. So there was this guy, Gary, and Gary's pretty tall, but not like monster tall. And we were talking about Australia. Ooh, a little different, right? One more time. So there was this guy, Gary, and Gary's pretty tall, but not like monster tall. And we were talking about Australia. Many people call this uptalk. Old angry people hate it, especially when women use it. But old angry people have stupid opinions all the time, so don't worry about it too much. In the next lesson, we'll review everything I've covered so far about English stress and intonation. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. See ya!